Back. See my giant face? Anyways, so let's get started. Write an equation in all three forms given the following information. All three forms? We just need two forms. It's not three forms, it's just two forms. But look at it. We're looking for the point slope form and we're looking for the slope intercept form as well. Okay, so whenever we have this, again, I told you at the beginning of this, we start in point slope form often, and then we drop that into slope intercept form as we turn around and work through it. Okay, so we have a point and a slope here. So we're going to drop it into point slope form first, and then we're going to convert that with a series of steps to slope intercept form. Again, why are we even doing this? Well, it's different representations of the same thing, different nicknames for the same visual, the same graph, different understandings of all the ordered pairs that work out in those equations for the solution. We have characteristics of the equation right now. We have a point and a slope, and we're given that it's going to be a linear equation or a line, so we know kind of where to start. All right, so let's drop in some point slope form. Again, if this helps, I would highly recommend that because then you won't make a sign error, hopefully. So let's say start there and start dropping stuff in. So go ahead and drop -3/2 in as the slope because that goes in front of the parentheses. Then we put our x with our x, the -4 with our x, and our y with our y, the +4. And we turn around and we're gonna simplify one step. This minus minus we're gonna kind of get rid of because it's ugly. Becomes +4. That represents our point slope form of the line. And now we're asked to find it in slope intercept form, which means, if you remember, slope intercept form has y all by itself and everything on the right hand side is simplified and reduced and all that good stuff. And that's what we're going to do. So in order to get there, we're going to turn around first, going to distribute, get rid of those ugly parentheses because in slope intercept form, we don't have parentheses rocking out. So we'll get rid of those parentheses. So now we do -3/2 times 4, which is going to be -6. And now we're going to keep solving. Add 4, y equals -3/2x minus 2. And now that represents the slope intercept form of the equation of the line. Now remember, those two are just nicknames for the same equation, for the same graph, for the same set of ordered pairs. Two different ways to relate the x and y pairs. The visual is also another way to relate the x and y pairs. Okay, so we have another one. We've got a point and a slope. So we're going to drop it into point slope form, just like before. Oops. Erase you. I made a mark I don't like. Okay, so put 1/3 in there. For our slope, we're going to put that in there because that is our y coordinate. We have our x coordinate, 3, 0. Now, we're not going to leave that 0 in there. So we're going to kind of simplify it one step. We get that winds up being our point slope form. And then we're going to turn around and we're going to keep going. We're going to add 3, y equals 1/3 x plus 3. Y equals 1/3 x plus 3. And then, boom, there we go. We have two different representations of the same exact line. Thank you, and we will see you in class again. Bye.